Hello everybody, welcome to my first Binding of Isaac video on the channel. That is actually going to be a Binding of Isaac video. I am very new to Isaac. I do not play this game a lot. Uh, but we're going to just play the game and see what we can do. Start with a Curse of Darkness. It's not good. Sagittarius. Knockback on Brimstone might be interesting. Oh! I will very much take a Batten. Batten is just free damage. Yeah, so already we have, I'd say, one of the best Devil Deal items. And obviously we're playing as Azazel. Yeah, we just do a lot of damage really quickly. And it will be very obvious when I fight the boss. I'm gonna say the secret room's here. Wow. Let's fight Gemini. Yeah, I don't have many hard mode achievements. I kind of need them, so I'm just gonna try to go for the lamb, or blue baby. I'm not gonna go for something crazy like mother. Looks like everything. Just head on down. Pop the world card. Maybe we'll find an item. Or we could find 2 keys. You know, that works too. So... who should I go for? I'm thinking going to the lamb. Right, temperance.
I found pills.
You sure did. Anemic. When we get hit, we leave a blood trail for the room. It's okay, I guess. Also, none of our items really help with our very distinct range problem. Azazel does not start with range. We'll just say that. Give us a bomb, maybe? I don't even care that we can get the plum flute. I just want this thing dead. Okay, stapler. It's pretty cool. I like stapler. I'm gonna go angel. Now, obviously, Brimstone could have been in that room, but I'd rather go for the likes of Sacred Heart. Because I believe the angel item pool has better items. Most of you Isaac fans are probably gonna dock me off for playing as Azel. I'm very bad at this game. I'm not good. Like, I only recently beat Mother. And I think Mother's the hardest boss in the game, considering my experiences with it. Wouldn't it be nice if you could kill hosts? Where could the item room be? Great job. Bill? There they are. Gah! Ghost Pepper. And it's not a bad item. Half-price car battery, yes. That is a easy take. Secret room is here. Nope. I can say for sure that the super secret room is here. Not there? It's here, maybe. There we go. Soul Heart. So I fricked up our devil. I fricked up the angel deal chance. I thought we could get angel. Alright, so we got Binky. That'll give us a size down and a tears up. Pretty good item, I'd say. The Binding of Isaac is a video game. Is it a good one? Yes. Looks like we're gonna go with the devil deals. I'd say the devil deal item pool is almost as good as the angel deal item pool. I mean, it has great items like Brimstone and such, but I'd say the angel deal item pool is slightly better simply because it has more bangers. Like, I'm not saying the devil deal item pool is bad. I'm saying the devil... Ooh, Bird's Eye and Ghost Pepper in the same run. This will be interesting. Oh, I'm probably not going to take a devil deal now. Look at the shop for funsies. Alright, there's nothing here. Certified Fallen moment. For those who don't know, the Fallen, when you kill it, it gives you items from the Devil Deal pool, which is very powerful. That is the first time that has happened to me. I've never gotten Brimstone from that. Let's go! Alright. So for those who don't know, Brimstone does that. It's a very powerful item. My favorite item in the game. Let's do the champion room. Well, you cannot do the champion room. I would have loved to get something good. I have 10 damage with Brimstone, but this is a very powerful run. Brimstone ticks 8 times per second? Well, now we can do the champion room if we want. What boss do we want to kill? That's Whiteheart. Now let's just hope I don't get something like soy milk, because I would not want soy milk on this run. I know soy milk and Brimstone is a very powerful synergy. If I accidentally die, I turn into Blue Baby. I do not like Blue Baby, but if I do achievements as Blue Baby, then I get fun things, I know if you beat Isaac, you get the D6, and I do have the D6 already, so I don't need to do that anymore. Breakfast? Let's go see what's in the devil deal. Rotten Baby! Fly scale with your damage. Tears up.
Tears up.
Cool. Oh, I'm not good with these enemies, but I killed them all. Got a troll bomb. Thanks, Isaac. I mean, you know what? Let's search for the planetarium. We have a 16% chance of one appearing. This could give us an HP up. Gives us 2 bombs. That's not terrible. And I guess I'll go in the shop and grab the soul heart. And now we can get ready for the next floor. Honestly, this is a pretty good run. Depths 2. This is the mom floor. I can see forever. Gives us secret rooms. No. I don't really play Isaac all that much. I'm honestly not good at it. I mean, I play as Azazel for crying out loud. I do find the game fun, though. Key bomb. Let's bomb both of these. You know, I could go to Hush if I get a very good item in this item room here. Pinking shears. Pinking shears is very, very good. If you don't know what it does, it cuts off your head and you do a ton of damage with your body. Yo, planetarium. Could be in here. Mercurus. Speed up and you feel elusive. Now, check what Mercurus does. Okay, opens most doors after entering a room, even in rooms with enemies. That's pretty good. Oh, that is some massive input lag. You know what, let's play the beggar. This one isn't very stingy. Immediately gives us dessert, alright. Not bad. So this is weird. This is weird mom that does that a lot. Oh my god. What is this input lag? Negative. Alright. None of these items are amazing. Box of spiders could be good, but just no. Let's head on down. So now I can just waltz on through rooms, which is very, very powerful. I'm sure you can guess why. So say the room doesn't go anywhere, I can just walk out. Does this room go anywhere? It does not look like it does. Mercurius is the ultimate speedrun item. So say you don't want to deal with these hosts, you can just waltz on back. Now I'm gonna kill some enemies because I want the room reward. Bam. 10 damage with Brimstone is insane. I'm seeing a lot of gurglings. Okay, so the boss room does not go under the effect of this. Honestly, I'd say that's okay. I mean, we do have a very good combo. So here I'll show you what Picking Shears does. That does a lot of damage, as you can see. Spirit of the Pentagram is a very good item. It's another damage up. Okay, Curse of the Unknown. That's amazing. Alright. Oh, don't want to deal with those enemies. I'd say Brimstone is the best item in the game. Or one of them. I just like all the Brimstone synergies that there are. And we'll take Safety Scissors because Petrified Poop isn't as good this late in the game. I could save my money for Hush. But honestly, do I really want to go to Hush? If I can go in the champion room, I will. But I don't think I can. I cannot. Oh! Oh my god. Alright, so we killed that. That's my room reward. A bomb. We'll skip you. Why? How did I get stuck? Wasted all my soul hearts. It lives! Mom's heart. Got him. Delirium. Let's go fight Hush. You know, I think Hush will be fun. More keys. He's welcome. No. Let's see what's in our item rooms. The wafer. Yes, let's go. And Mask of Infamy. I'll grab the soul heart. Let's go fight old Hushy boy. Now, I'm not very good at this boss fight. Not at all, but I'd say I can do some things. Okay. Old Hushy. That's all you Invicta fans out there. Honestly, if I die, I don't care. I mean, I got Brimstone. That's all I really want. It's my favorite item. I do have 13 damage with Brimstone, so... Brimstone can do a lot of damage. And I have Ghost Pepper. And Bird's Eye. But Hush is a very bullet hell boss. We did get to this phase, though. Without picking cheers. Mask of Infamy blocked the damage there. And there. And not there. You know, we can just say it did. Next phase. Mask of Infamy saving me very hard. Oh. One of our black cards activated. Go to this side of the stage. Oh, okay, he's in the uh-oh phase now. Not this attack, not this attack! And we killed Hush! Alright. Now the question is, do we go to Delirium? I have the negatives, so I'm just... We'll go to Shoal. These are my least favorite enemies. Those are some of my least favorite enemies in the game. So I did not want to deal with any of these enemies except these. I'll deal with these. You know, those are easy enemies. But stuff like the Brimstone things that are just like kill you. No. Oh yeah, I have safety cut. I have safety fuse. For those. Wait, why am I doing this? There's nothing I gain from that. Okay, High Priestess. Just skip all these rooms if we want. Judgment. There's a chest room. Okay, deal with it. Oh. Satan is not a hard boss. We beat Satan. On to Dark Room. Okay, we have 3 red hearts. 7 Harbingers. Sister Maggie. That. All of these are bad. I'll fight the Forsaken just for the heck of it. I am lucky. Oh, this is the room. Where are you?
The lovers.
No point in going in any of these rooms. Chubb dislikes smoke. We know. What is this room? Who thought that room was a good idea? Gotcha. You know what, let's go grab my red heart back. Right. We should be at full health. This is a bad room. We do not want to be in any of these. How did it so... Oh.
I found pills.
You sure did. There's the Satan room. Unfortunately, we have to deal with whatever this is. Nice secret. So we have 2 hearts for the lamb. Which I'd say is one of the easier bosses in the game, but you know, we should always be careful. There we go. No. Alright. There we go. That is the lamb beaten. We got Hush down, and we got the lamb down. Which means I have some more hard mode completion marks for Azazel. Let me just look at those. New run. Let's go. Those are some of the easier ones, but we got them down. It also says I got hard mode delirium out of the way, which I'd say is good. Thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Goodbye.